Good morning, children. Now, activity Amma. Write the Roman numerals for the following. Okay, children. You learn the table, Roman numeral table. You learn the table first, Amma. You can do easily these problems. Okay. Now 7, Amma. Now 7. How to write 7, Amma? 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7. You get 7. Okay, Amma. Now basic symbol for 5 is what, Amma? V. Now 1 for I and again 1 for I. Okay, got it? 7. Now next 8. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. Now 5 for basic V, that is a Roman numeral. Now 1 for I, again 1 for I, again 1 for I. Got it? 8, Amma. Next coming to 9. Now 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here repeating 1 is how many times, Amma? 4 times. It's not correct. Only repeating up to 3 times. More than 3 times is not repeating. This is kept in your mind. Only repeating 3 times. Don't repeat 4 times. Okay. So this is the wrong statement. Now how to write 9, Amma? 9 for 10 minus 1. How to write? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, you get 9. Okay. Now tell me, children, 10 for basic. Basic symbols in Roman numerals is what? X. You know that. X for 10. Now here doing what? Subtraction. Minus 1 means subtraction. So you will write before or after this I. 1 for I. Where is right I? Before or after? Before or left side. Because here doing subtraction. Okay. Can understand? 10 minus 1. 10 for X. You will write 1. Here doing addition. So you write after or right side. But here doing what? Subtraction. So subtraction. So you do or you write before. Okay. So I X. Okay. Got it? Here doing subtraction. So you write before. Here doing addition. So you writing V after. Next 14. Now 14 for 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is correct? No. This is not correct because don't repeat 4 times. So 10 plus 4. You know 10 for 1 X. Now 4 for IV. Okay. Now next one, number 26. 26 means 10 plus 6. Now this 4 you will write 5 minus 1 also. 5 minus 1. You write 5 minus 1. But you know directly 4. So that's right, 10 plus 4. Okay. Now this is a 6. 6 how to write? 5 plus 1. Here doing all are addition. So you write it after. 10 for X. Again 10 for X. And 5 for V. And 1 for I. Okay. Can you understand? Write it, Amma. Only simple. You keep in your mind. Addition of say after actually. Minus subtraction of say you will write before. Okay. Now next. Now second Next one, Amma. Second bit, write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following. Now, here V for 5, yes, 5 before 5. Here I is for before or after? V ki before unna after unna? After. Before ante subtraction, after ante you do addition. So here what comes here? V after I is come. So you do addition. Now 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 you get 6. Okay. This is the Roman numerals. 6 is the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now next to second one. One more one. Solve this problem, Amma. Okay. X for what, children? 10. Now here 10 after what comes? V. V for 5. After comes. So you do addition or subtraction? Addition. After comes you do addition. Now plus 5. Now plus. Again V after what comes? I. I for 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1. Now tell me, children, 10 plus 5 is a 15. 15 plus 1 is a 16. You get 16. Now next one. Okay. Now x like this. X plus ix like this. Okay. X plus ix. Now x for what? X for 10. Now plus. Now x before what comes, Amma? I. Here coming before. So here doing addition or subtraction? Subtraction, because here coming before. So x for 10 minus I for 1. Okay, got it? Now 10 plus. Now 10 minus 1, 9. Tell me, children, 10 plus 9, you get 19. Okay? Now please copy it, Amma. Now next one. So x v I. X for 10 plus again x for 10 plus again x for 10 plus v for 5. I for 1. Here all are coming after. So you are doing addition. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Now 5 plus 1, 6. So total 30 plus 6, 36. Now next step. X ix like this. Now x plus again x plus ix. X plus ix. this ix, don't write I plus x because small, this x for big mundu small ochindi, big before small is come, so don't write I plus x, you will write ix. Okay, now tell me children, x for 10 plus again x for 10 plus ix means 10 minus 1, you get 9, so 20, 29. Okay, copy it. Now I will give homework, amma. Simple. Before you doing subtraction, after also you doing addition. Now, okay. Now next one, nama homework. These are all problems, additions, amma. All doing additions. Okay, do and post it. All are additions. 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And next 10 plus 10. Next 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. You will do simply. Okay, amma, thank you, bye.